Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this video is going to show the Durston X-Mid 2P two-pole tent in a snowstorm, northern BC, Canada, Prince George. And the forecast called for between 10 and 20 centimeters. I would say we got close to 20. I had the snow blow all weekend long. It's been pretty crazy. You'll see the tent at the end. So I started off at night the day before, and the time-lapse ran out of battery, but then during the day I kept swapping it. So you're going to see the snow started in the morning, so you're going to see when it starts accumulating. And yeah, hopefully you can see how well this tent holds up to heavy snow. Obviously you'll need to brush it off, but I left it for about 24 hours, and this was the condition it was in. Pretty stellar, and hope you enjoy the video. Thanks. Bye. It's wide as far as we can see. If you could see me, standing tall upon my peak. All right, so we are here to check out the X-Mid 2. Had quite a bit of snowfall here, as you can see from the previous video, and a lot of snow accumulated on here. Just like a mountain, snow avalanche is falling off. Still holding up. We're going to take a quick look inside. Once I can zip this up, and everything's good inside. A little bit of snow. So when I went in yesterday with my snowy boots, it's holding up okay in there. Maybe we'll zip it down again. Whew. And there it is. Restored to its almost original glory.